Hey, welcome to lesson 1 of the basics. Today we're going to be working on the Metro beat building. So not going to waste any time. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to set your BPMs to 100. Standard, it might be set to 120, but today we're going to do 100. After you set your BPM to 120, make sure your metronome is set to record and play. Alright, cool. Now that you got your BPM and metronome set up, we're going to jump right into the kit that you downloaded from the website. So the first thing you're going to go to is kicks. And we're going to go to forehead punch. And I'm going to put forehead punch on pad 1. Totally up to you. If you want to change your style based on how comfortable you play, feel free to go ahead and do that. I'm showing you my way because I'm not going to hold back and I'm just going to show you everything I do. So with that being said, forehead kick on pad 1. And today, that's all we're going to mess with because we're going to get to know that metronome. Alright? So we're going to go ahead and start it off with about 3 exercises to kick it off for the first lesson. This is going to be the first one. Press start. And with these, I want you to follow along with me too. I'm going to make sure I don't lose you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Come on. Switch hands. Alright, so that was the first one. A little bounce beat, a little techno beat, a little house beat, a little something, something. That's gonna just get that in your blood because the main thing with that metronome is anything. Alright, let's try another exercise. Let's try another one. This one, it's not gonna be as upbeat. We're gonna slow it down a little bit, still with the same tempo. So it's gonna be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey. Alright. Practice that, practice that, practice that. I know to some that might be very easy, but if you're starting from the very beginning, this is definitely the way you should start. I wish I started this way because what's going to happen is we're going to remove the metronome very soon and you're going to be your own metronome, but we just got to find that beat first. You got to get that rhythm first. Alright, let's move on to the third one. These are those little elements that's going to get you to, you know, you want to start getting those rolls and different stuff like that, but it's all about staying on that, having that beat to actually keep those rolls too. So practice that, practice that, practice that. I'll see you on lesson 2. We're going to dive into the second pad. But for right now, Metronome Beat Builder, you guys are killing it. I'm glad you guys decided to join. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the feed section. Other than that, you guys kill it. I'll see you on lesson 2. Let's go.